where's my back camera, not front camera, so I might not watch you and I want to hurry up. So this is my lime solution. This lime solution contains caustic soda. The caustic soda is 169 grams. So the water I use is 534. So this is my lime solution, and this is a liter of oil, and this is palm kernel oil. I don't know whether you can hear me. Like I said, I'm going to use my mold. This mold I use, this mold is okay, give me 9 bars, and each bars weighs 173 grams. So I'm going to begin with the production. You know, I'm using a little thing. I'm going to manage this. There's a reason why I'm using this, so that I can view inside. If I use the other one, use this big one I use for my soap production, and this one up here, you might not be able to view inside. And my tripod, if I take it longer too much, things will not be cleared like this because of my camera. Yeah, so let's begin with the production. So this is my lime solution. I'm going to add it inside the oil and stir it. This is what I'm saying, that I might not be able to stir it very fast because of it's very small. So I will manage it and stir it gently. So what I posted on the page, you see it, lime solution and the oil. So you see the way I said I'm just doing it gradually. I would have mixed it very fast, but I can't do that because the mixing bowl is very small. Like I said, I tell you the reason why I'm using this smaller mixing bowl, so that you can view the inside. You see, I'll pour in everything. So the next thing I'm going to do now is pour it inside my mold. Then this soap, I will mold it. I will go live again and I'll mold it still on this page. You see this soap butter? Do you see my soap butter? The soap butter is not thick. This is normal, it's medium. So I'm going to see, I can stir it very fast now. I will turn it inside mold. And this video is for, oh, I forget the woman's name. The woman asked me if I cannot produce, okay, he said if soda soap cannot be produced with something like this, must it be this? See the soap here, must it be this? Must we put soda soap in tin, empty tin, tomato, milk, or disposal cup? I say no, you can do something like this. You see this soap butter, I've kept it for over how many minutes now? Did the soap separate? No. Now watch as I pour everything inside here. Then what type of soap are we producing now? We are producing basic soap. What did I say? Basic soap. So we are producing basic soap. Like I told you earlier, I'm supposed to use bigger bowl, but I have to use this. We are going to manage it. See our this thing. So we just manage it like that. We pour it. We are almost there. So our mold is still on the page. You see inside. Our mold is here on this page, so that you see what we produce. Somebody asked me if it's true that I used to get nine bars of this soup, or whether I do just I be AI. Yeah, he said something like that. He said whether it's AI. I said it's not AI. That is what I got. He said, how is it possible? Why is it not going to be possible? When I'm calculating it, I'm calculating this thing, and I super fat, yes, in case you don't know what you mean by super fatty. I'm super fat this soup. This is causing soda and super fatty, and I want it to be mild on the skin. You can even bet with this Nigerian soup without issues. Yes, without having issues. So this is inside. I don't know who joined me. Who joined this? Who joined me? Who joined me? I said let's produce soup live and direct. People will be like, how is it going to give you 9 bars, 1 liter of soup, 1 liter of oil give you 9 bars? Have you seen it now? It's 9 bars over. All those ones that do come to my DM to ask, but please, I want to know how come, how manage. I say calm down, you need to calm down and doing it. You have to learn. So I'm a soup maker. You know, let me see who joined me. Like I said, I can't view, I'm using back camera. Who joined me? So guys, I'm done. I'll mold this soup on this page so that all of you will see the soup. I will mold it, I will mold it, I will mold it on this page. I'm coming. Let me do like this. Good. So you have a very smooth surface. Okay. I don't know whether it's only supers will really understand me. We have, but so now they are equal. So they are equal now. They are equal. So I'm going to keep it like this. Good. That is our setup. So let me add a little color in this one. So I will pour it in another mold. So I'm going to add color here. Let's add small pink color, or should I go for orange? Let me go for orange. Some people when they what are we color this? So this is a color. We want to have 2 times of two color now. 2 colors, different colors. So this is the batter. So guess what? We are going to have 10 bars of soup in a liter of oil. A liter of oil, we are going to have how many bars? 10 bars. You see it now. So let's go there. And the soup are not be for mouth. Now to do what? Show evidence. Show evidence that you produce soup. That is what I used to tell my students in the field. I say you're a soap maker. Prove that you're a soap maker. It's not by bragging. I produce soup. Show evidence. So I'll not waste anything here. So I want to scrub everything. I mean, soup maker, no be for mouth. Produce, let's see, do the normal calculation. As to perfect this soup, this is soda soup. I know you're going to be like, is this soda soup that fine like this, smooth like this? Like I said, I will mold this soup. I will go live or mold this soup for you to see. I will go live. I just pray rain should not fall so that I will run to go carry my children because they close by 4. My children close by 4. So if rain is not falling, check the time that we produce this soup because hey, na here we dey, na here. I will mold this soup in people's faces. Be like, so what is my teach on the page for my new followers, because people that have been following me for years now really understand me better. Like from last year, you start following me, you understand that you go live on the page to produce soup. I won't tell you the sub value I use, the formula I use in producing this soup. I won't tell you. If you want to learn soup making, I just share the recipe. I use 530. Take now. I'm going live. Don't disturb me. I know you don't know how to go live. don't go. So you see how many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You still need the talking for your customer. Who is that lady who could have come? Yes, so that's to be produced now. So this is how many bars now? We have 10 bars. So now we are going to unmold it by 4, or let me say by 6. Let me keep it by 6. You unmold this soup. You will see it in your eyes. I'm a soap maker. If you are interested in making soup, being a professional soap, let's unmold the soup now. Okay. Live. No, we do the production live, so we are going to unmold it live. So guys, let's see. Very fast. So let's start from the orange color. So this is the orange color. So check inside the mold. So I'm going to keep it like this. Let me keep it this way. Then I'll mold this way. You feel it. See our soap? Our soap is neat and strong. We are molded, produce it 3 hours ago. Then we are molded. Few minutes past 6. See how the soup is coming out from the mold. So I'm not struggling to bring it out from the mold. As you can see, I did not apply any oil on it. So I won't stay long in this live video. I just said let me go live. I told you guys I will go live by 6 and I'll mold the soup to see how it's okay. So why do you still complain soap not getting dry within when you are using correct formulation, like you formulate your soap by yourself. Like all these recipes, like if I decide to add more like extra water in this soup will not be added by now. Maybe it will stay for like 12 hours to 4 hours before you can remove. But I use the accurate measurement, like the water I calculated was 534, which I have told you guys is 534, and I used complete. I did not add extra water, and the oil is complete 1,000. Let me shift the soup so that you can view the soup too. Then the oil was complete 1,000 grams, and the lime solution, that is the consistency, was 169 grams. So we have this. This is a liter of oil, 1 liter batch of soap. You see it now. So see the pot here. So soap making is not hard when you know how to formulate your recipe. So if you are interested in any soap making, I'm available. Just send me a message on WhatsApp. I will drop my number on this live video. This is live video, so you are going to send me message on WhatsApp. I will respond, then we chat. But let me go straight to the point. My soap training, so that soap training is just 5,000. The full package, which comprises soda soap, laundry bar soap, and bathing soap, is 15,000. Nothing like negotiation. I don't want, because the way I do my training, after teaching you soap formulation, I also guide you. Then you do your production, and duration of training is 3 weeks, and classes is weekly. So you see what we have here. So if you are interested, just send me a DM or drop a message on my WhatsApp. Okay, bye.